Are we ready? Start. The civil revision is against the order directing certain issues to be framed and which, according to the petitioner's plaintiffs, the trial court was in error in omitting to frame as issues arising out of the pleading of parties. Full stop. The suit was filed for specific performance of an agreement of sale, and the issues framed was included whether the plaintiff was ready and willing to perform his part of contract, and that whether the agreement of sale was capable of being specifically enforced. Full stop. The defense by the first defendant inter alia sets out a plea admitting to the execution of the agreement but contending that the agreement of sale with his share was cancelled by an oral agreement, and that therefore the plaintiffs were not entitled to obtain a specific enforcement. Full stop. The plaintiff had sought for framing an issue with the onus of proof cast on the defendant as regards the plea that the agreement of sale was superseded by an oral agreement. Full stop. Para. The trial court has rejected the plea of the plaintiffs and has held that the issue already framed regarding the enforceability of the agreement squarely covers the issue of whether the agreement was later superseded orally as regards the share of one of the defendants. Full stop. The issues at the trial are struck to help the parties focus on the respective contentions and allow for appropriate evidence to be brought for a proper adjudication. Full stop. It is no doubt true that an issue regarding the enforceability of the agreement, which is an admitted document, is wide enough to admit of every subsidiary issue of what the defendant is now pleading to state that the plaintiffs are not entitled to such a relief. Full stop. However, in my view, it is still not sufficient, and if the defendants are setting out a case as to why the plaintiffs are not entitled to obtain specific performance by the fact that there was a subsequent oral agreement, it would require to be specifically spelled out with the onus cast on him so that the issues are properly adjudicated, I therefore direct that following issues shall be framed. Full stop. Para. Whether the agreement of sale dated 8/4/2003 was cancelled by a subsequent oral agreement of sale as mentioned in para number 5 of the written statement, ? The impugned order is set aside. The revision petition is allowed with above directions. Full